Kiharo gia Kasarani umuthi ni gicurire mbica nene ati uteti wa mwaka ukite riu uri moko-ini riria kirindi kinene kia Kenya macemanirie kigomano-ini kia Azimio la Umoja niguo kuigua mwerekero uria ukurumirirwo ni mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga uteti-ini na thutha wa gweterera kwa makiria mathaa 10 muthia riria Raila ahirwo kanya ga kwaria ndanaria marigu taburukia kioneki giake.
This day of December 10th, 2021, I, Raila Amolo Odinga, I do hereby accept to present myself as a presidential candidate at the presidential elections on the 9th of August 2022.
No mbere ya aheanite kioneki giki Raila ni ataririe muthingi uria umbite itua riake akiheana rugano rwa uria akoretwo eheanite kuri bururi na njira nene riu akiuga bata wake munene ni wa gutungatira a Kenya.
With this reconciliation, I ask for nothing and I will never ask for anything except the opportunity to serve.
Ngeithi gatagati gake na President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta iria ciahanikire mwaka wa 2018 nicionekanire ari o gitugi kingi kinene kiria gicungiriirie we kuingira kihitahitano-ini muoroto munene akiuga ni thayo wa bururi.
I must pay homage to my brother, His Excellency President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, for the foresight and sense of patriotism in initiating the dialogue that led to the handshake.
Atongoria a gitaro kia Mount Kenya makoretwo makiuria kana Raila ni akarumbuia mabataro mao angigatuika president na ndumiriri-ini yake Raila nionekanire kuhe uritu ndeto ino akiuga ati ona riu akirie gukinya gacumbire ga kirima na uguo ni amenyete mateta ma aikaria guku.
If the mountain was smooth, it would be impossible to climb it. The mountain has to be bumpy for you to scale it. On this, I'm happy to note that I've reached very close to the peak. I've seen the Batian and the Lenana peaks, and the people have promised that we shall walk together to the promised land yonder. If I prove that I understand and shall address their concerns.
Gatoro ka uhoro kauma Raila kwanirira ngwataniro njeru ya kiuteti iria kahuthira kihitahitano-ini gia githurano kinene ngwataniro iria iretwo Azimio la Umoja. Itua riri ria Raila riu niritanyitwo kuhingura kimera kieru kia uteti ndama na karata ga githurano gagithie na mbere na kwarirwo. Riri rigukorwo riri rita ria gatano ria mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga kuhitahitanira giturwa kia president guku bururi-ini no kiuria ni kana hihi riri nirio rita riria ria mure. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma kiharo-ini gia Kasarani county-ini ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.